Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we've got a 2016 Kia Sedona, and on this Sedona we're going to go over how you'd replace your cabin air filter. So the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, so you're going to want to open up the glove box. If you have stuff in the glove box, you would want to remove that, because when you undo everything it's going to dump everything out. So you've got these small little clamp deals. Just turn them a quarter turn to the counterclockwise to loosen them out. And then when those are out, then you can see that's where the cabin filter's back there. But you also have a little, gotta picture this, but there's a little restraint over here that helps it so it doesn't just fall down real fast when you lower it down. And this is the thing, the restraint. So it's just a dampener, and it pops onto a little bump there. So right here is where the cabin filter is. You just squeeze this side and remove this cover and pull out your cabin air filter. So that's a good clean cabin air filter, or dirty. So try to keep most of the leaves with it. And so we want to make sure that we have the airflow, and this has it has an indicator of which direction the airflow should go, and the one we brought out. And so generally all these fins will face up, so you just want to put it the direction that the air flows. And then take your new one, slide it back in there, and so that that filter is in place. And then take the cover, snap that into place. That's it there. And then you can attach the dampener by just snapping it in, and then these, you're just going to take them. You gotta rotate them a little bit to make sure you line it up which way it'll go in the hole there. Then a quarter turn to the right, and tighten them up, and then you can close that. And so that's how you replace your cabin air filter on your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.